My name is Luis Font, and along with Alejandro Freytes and Will Zimmer, today we will be presenting the water cycle. What role does the water cycle play in freshwater dynamics? It is important to understand that the water cycle is integrated with freshwater dynamics as it regulates the movement and distribution of freshwater across Earth's surface. It is essential for sustaining ecosystems and regulating human activities. In order to manage water resources sustainably, we need to understand the interactions between them, which is why the water cycle is so important to understand. The stages of the water cycle are 6 in total. These include evaporation from bodies of water, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, water runoff, infiltration, and groundwater discharge. Evaporation is the process where liquid water turns into water vapor due to exposure from the sun. Here, water molecules gain enough energy to break their liquid bonds, which drives the movement of water from the Earth's surface to the atmosphere. Now we will present a live-action presentation of how this process works. Evaporation of water molecules along a plant's surface. These water molecules originally appear from water trapped in the soil, which is sucked up by the plant's roots and released via tiny pores found along the plant's surface. This evaporation helps cool the plant while simultaneously contributing to the water cycle by releasing water vapor into the atmosphere. Now we present another live-action presentation of how this evaporation works. Condensation is when water vapor in its gaseous state transforms into liquid. This happens when air cools, causing water vapor molecules to transform into small water droplets which are carried and transported by clouds. This process eventually leads to a buildup of water molecules in the clouds, contributing to precipitation. Now we will present an illustration as to how this process works. Fall of water molecules or ice droplets from the clouds to the Earth's surface. This fall is caused by gravity pulling these large buildups of water caused by condensation towards the Earth's surface. This process is essential for the movement of water across large distances and is heavily influential in the formation and resupply of many different bodies of water. Now we present an illustration of how this works. Runoff involves a flow of water that cannot be absorbed by the ground across the Earth's surface. This water moves downhill, forming streams and rivers along the way. Much of this water eventually becomes part of a larger body of water and repeats the water cycle once again. Now we present an illustration as to how this works. Infiltration is the process by which water is absorbed into the soil, becoming groundwater. Due to the presence of minerals from the soil, this water is filtered as it passes through the soil. Eventually, this water reaches the surface once again by the form of a groundwater discharge, which resupplies many different bodies of water. Now we present an illustration as to how this works. Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed.